This is the Infinix X1 32-inch TV. You heard right, this is a TV from Infinix. It's nice to see Infinix branching off into other consumer gadgets. The Infinix X1 TV is a budget-friendly offering from Infinix, and I'm guessing you have some questions. Is it a good TV? What features does it offer? Can you game on it? Should you buy it? Well, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Infinix X1 TV and hopefully answering all your questions about it. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So before we begin, give this video a like by hitting the like button so more people will get to see this video. So this is the box it comes in. Opening it up, we find the TV, of course, and its accessories in a transparent bag. Okay, so here's the 32-inch TV. Let's see what else we get in that transparent bag. That's the user manual, warranty leaflet. We also get the TV stand and the screws for screwing them on. AV cable. Here is the TV remote, and it looks like Infinix also put in batteries for the remote. How nice of them. The first thing you want to do is screw on the stand using the screws provided. That's what I did. Unless you want to hang it on the wall, in that case you need to buy a wall mount. This is what the TV should look like when you're done. Now it took me roughly 10 to 15 minutes to set up the TV. That's, connecting to Wi-Fi, picking a password and so on. Behind the TV is where the ports are located. We have two HDMI ports, a LAN port, AV port, USB port, audio jack and the antenna port. So you're not missing out on any ports. The Infinix X1 is a smart TV running Android 9 Pie. It has 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage, which should be sufficient for a TV. So you can install apps like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Spotify, and you can even install games. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Now let's take a look at what you use to control your TV. The remote. It's quite nice. There is no microphone on the remote, so you can't talk into the remote to control the TV. But it has Netflix and YouTube dedicated buttons, which I think will be the most used apps on the TV. So it's good that they are there. The back of the remote has a stripe texture. It's also where you remove the back cover to insert the batteries. You can also use your phone as a remote control. All you have to do is install the Infinix Live app from the Play Store and ensure that your mobile phone and the TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi, and you can use your phone as a remote control. Like I have mentioned several times in this video, it's a 32-inch display. It is 60Hz and it has a resolution of 1366 by 768. So content is capped at 720p and viewing angles seem okay. Colors are decent and content on the TV looks sharp. All these can be changed in the TV settings. You can increase or decrease the saturation, contrast, sharpness and so on. The sound from the TV is quite nice. Hear for yourself. Now gaming on the TV is also nice. You can install games from the App Store or like me, connect your PC by the HDMI cable or your Xbox or PS4 console and enjoy gaming. The Infinix X1 32-inch smart TV will cost you somewhere between 100,000 naira to 110,000 naira. This is one of the most affordable smart TVs and you're not really missing out on any features if you get this TV. It's a nice and compact TV from Infinix that provides you with a complete range of entertainment options. Anyway, do let me know what you think of the Infinix X1 TV. Do you consider it to be your next TV? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload my next video. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching and you'll see me in my next video.